My age is 19 years old. My height 5 foot 7 inch. I am very thankful to photo. Welcome to all the judges and audience and all present in the auditorium. I am here to deliver a speech on fashion. Fashion is something means to follow or apply new and different styles of clothing, hairstyles, body language by different ages of people. Mostly college students prefer belong fashionable. It relates to all ages of individual, also male or female in different behavior. Everyone thinking that fashion only means to show glamour. In some societies, fashion and clothing indicate rank or status. Is a group choice. Example: change in styles, accessories, color, etc. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. India students are very particular about fashion. Mostly girl fashion is to trend advanced than any others. Fashion is not only limited to the dressing styles. Don't dress to impress, don't dress to impress, just be the best unlike the rest. Fashion include the house they live in, what they eat, hobbies, etc. Popular people always try to dress in the latest style. They care so much for their outside that they don't have time to get into their innards. They visit beautician commonly for facial but never visit libraries. पीपल जब भी पब्लिक जो होती है वो मॉडल में हिस्सा लेती है तो वो ये सोच लेती है कि हेयर स्टाइल बनाकर अच्छा था, अच्छी ड्रेस पहनकर हम सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे, लेकिन वो गलत सोचती है क्योंकि अपने इंडिया की जो इंडस्ट्री है वो टैलेंट को सपोर्ट करती है. इन इंडिया ग्लैमरस इंडस्ट्री एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री आर द न्यू ट्रेंड ऑफ फैशन. Fashion designer apply their new ideas of clothing, makeup, hairstyles, actors and actors. Later on this become the new trend of fashion and followed by millions of youngsters. एक मॉडल और एक सेलिब्रिटी होने के लिए मिलियंस में फॉलोअर्स होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I would like to conclude by saying that being trend and fashionable is just your wish. No one force you to do it. What type of fashion? What type of fashion? Fashion you prefer according to place and requirement is your own decision. Affect many people. People tend to forget our tradition and culture because of fashion changes in your attitude and physical attitude. Make of confident. At the same time, it affect us badly to your culture and applying fashion in the life is not a full unit. It does not influence or impact badly and other. Happiness is the secret to all beauty. Happiness is the secret to all beauty. There is no beauty that is attractive without happiness. Important to follow fashion. Following the fashion trends allow individuals to feel more lively and confident about themselves. People who stay is tuned with the latest fashion trends for men find it easy to create a positive first impact. A person's dressing expression, his standard of living which is an important part of their identity. Fashion appears in clothing, footwear, hairstyles, makeup, lifestyles and body. Furthermore, fashion is an industry supported expression. Concept of fashion. Fashion implies to wear and adhere to the trends of person, mode of expression which may or may not apply the general public. Such fashion can change with satisfy time limit and is constant only 4 minutes. Fashion is important in your life. In general, fashion is important because it reflects every culture in the world. It was a way to create different styles. Social groups be differentiated according to your status. I am not saying it's a good thing, but is a guarded. More than self-expression, fashion is a means of improvement or confidence. Thank you, Photo Fox.